Namaste. Welcome to day 4 of the 7-day Beginner Yoga for Weight Loss Challenge. Today we're shifting our focus to something just as important as movement, the breath. Today you'll be learning 2 breathwork techniques, deep diaphragmatic belly breathing to connect to your body's hunger signals, and Ujjayi ocean breath to create inner heat and focus. I'd be remiss if we didn't touch on diet in these 7 days, so the goal here today is to learn that the breath is at the foundation of every posture and how to utilize these techniques to make more mindful food choices, build a deeper connection to our body's needs, and shed stress-related weight. When you're ready, let's go ahead and begin lying down on our backs. Giving yourself a couple moments to get settled, straightening out the legs fully, arms by the side. If this is too much on your low back, you can put a pillow underneath the knees. Soften your shoulders, unclench your jaw, and close your eyes if you feel comfortable. Bring one hand to the heart, one hand to the belly. Gently release the breath on your next exhale. And on your next inhale, allow your belly to fill up like a balloon, expanding with the air inside of it. And as you exhale, feel the release, allowing the belly button to draw back toward your spine. Breathe in slow as you direct the air into your belly, filling it up. And exhale slow and controlled as you release, letting the exhale be long and slow. Inhale through the nose, filling up the belly like a balloon. And exhale, allow the belly button to drop back towards the spine. Inhale, fill up the belly, expanding outward all areas. And exhale, release. Continue with this pattern, focusing fully on the belly expansion with every inhale. And keeping the exhales to be long, controlled, and slow. With every round of breath, letting your body become heavier and allowing yourself to find more space in your stomach to breathe. We often carry stress in our belly when we're feeling disconnected from ourselves, whether it's due to self-doubt, negative thoughts, or just not fully trusting our choices in life or in diet or in exercise. So for these next few rounds of breath, use it to release that tension and reconnect with a sense of compassion and trust in your body. Allow yourself to take up as much space as possible during these moments in the deep diaphragmatic belly breathing technique. Allow the muscles on the face to continue to soften and melt. If you're still holding any tension or stress in the body, on your next exhale, do your best to mindfully let it go, to let your body become soft and smooth again. Begin to bring some small movement into the fingers and the toes. Drawing the soles of the feet into the mat and rolling onto your right or left side. And then picking yourself up into a comfortable seated position where we'll go ahead and learn Ujjayi ocean breath. So finding a crisscross applesauce position, sitting up nice and tall, crown of the head reaching up. And a lot of the focus here is actually in the throat. So we're doing a constriction of the throat on the exhales, almost like you're fogging up a mirror. Close your mouth and inhale through your nose. As you do, slightly constrict the back of the throat, all the way up, filling the entire body. And as you exhale, you constrict the throat. The sound should be smooth and even, like the sound of the waves gently crashing. Again, inhale, fill up from the belly, the base, all the way to the top of the lungs. And exhale through your nose. Feel the gentle constriction in the back to maintain the ocean sound. Inhale, expanding. And exhale, softly pushing out the air. So you're more focusing on the sound and the feeling of it. Ujjayi is used in a lot of power yoga classes, so it's really good for building heat when you're moving fast, which is why I wanted to teach it to you today. Bringing one hand onto the belly. As you inhale, you're going to feel just like we were doing in the belly breathing. Feel the whole belly expand like a balloon. But now you're going to keep that breath coming into the ribs, lungs, and all the way up to the top of the chest. Once you feel that breath get to the top of your body, you constrict the throat and you exhale out, fogging up the mirror, creating that oceanic sound with the breath. Inhale, full belly, full body inhale. Exhale, constrict the back of the throat, press out the air, soft and slow. Again, inhale, full body, expanding all areas of the chest, ribs, lungs. And as you exhale, intentionally create the heat, pressing out the air, constricting the back of the throat. Continue this pattern. One more round, softening the face as you breathe in. And letting go of everything, nose or mouth, exhale. Inhaling, bringing the hands to prayer center. We're calling back to our set intention. Taking a moment of gratitude to honor our bodies and thank ourselves for showing up today to learn one of the most important elements in yoga, the breath. The light in me honors and acknowledges the light within you, which is the same within me. Inhaling our thumb knuckles up to our third eye, forehead center. And exhale, we bow our heads as we say, Namaste. Great job today. I challenge you to use one of these breathwork techniques before, during, and after meals. Take a moment to check in with your body and really listen to what it needs. Are you already full? Do you just need water? Maybe just a bit of movement. The more you connect with your breath, the more you'll be able to make mindful decisions that support your well-being. You've got this, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 5 for back bends.